Hello guys, welcome back again. As promised, I said I will give a breakdown of the video I did yesterday on the trade I took today. So basically, this is what happened on the daily time frame. And you can check out the previous video. I mentioned that as price gave us this bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, the next daily candle was ought to come retest this previous daily high at about this level. Let me check out this trend line. Yeah, was supposed to come test the daily trend line as I have observed from the market that price normally comes to do this daily candle test or the previous candle when it gives a bullish engulfing. So as you can see, it did just right that, and we took a trade as we planned on 22,000 psychological level, and you see it aligns with the trend channels. Yeah, aligns with the trend channel. Are able to find the trend channel on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see, sorry about that. So you can see this was the retest. You see on the 22,000 we had a weak bullish engulfing, and then we had a push up and we met our target, which our target was our trade plan was to target the next support of resistance level, which was about 22,500. And as said, I opened two positions and I closed my position. My take profit was hit, and this second position is left running. I've moved my stop loss to break even. So that is the trade. You can see we didn't have much drawdown, just had a little drawdown. Let's go to the lower time frame of 15 minutes. You can see we didn't have much drawdowns, just a little bit, and then price went, resisted the trend channel, and then went up. You can see how the trend channel was beautifully respected. You can see on the 1 hour time frame clearly. You can see how the trend channel was respected. You can see every time we want to put in a low, we hit the trend channel. A low, a lower high, a higher high, trend channel hit, lower low on the 1 hour. This was the trend channel. You can see though it broke the trend channel a bit, but if you follow structure, you know that this market was still bullish, and then price went up. This was we got this trade. We are still holding this trade at about 21,500. We got in again yesterday after the pullback into 22,000, and then we are holding. So now what am I expecting for today's trade? Though you can see at my time it's still 1:30, so our trade entry window is always around 2, 3, 4 o'clock a.m. my time. So we are still waiting for our trade entry. So now what is currently happening in the market? What is currently happening in the market is that price is giving us a bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour. So we are expecting what happened on the daily to happen on the 4 hour as well. What am I expecting? Take this off. What am I expecting on the day? What am I expecting for today's trade? I'm expecting for price to come test this previous 4 hour candle high as it gave us the bullish engulfing, come test somewhere in between, and then we start buying up. So at today's trade, we'll likely see price. We will likely take an entry from 22,500. So that is, but it's not yet confirmed. Though maybe price will break above by the time our entry window reaches, can break above them retest. But however, our trade entry will be around this area today, but I'm not confirming anything yet. This is just a trade breakdown of the trade we took yesterday. So we waited the whole day. Price at the early start of the day, price came with patience. Though I made some psychological errors, when I saw price hit here, I saw this bullish engulfing on the 1 hour. I bought here. I won't lie. I bought here, and then I got stopped out. There's trade history. I'm trying to be more transparent on this channel because the trading it is what it is. You can't win all the time. Sometimes you have a good strategy, but then your psychology or your patience level doesn't hold to make your strategy work perfectly. But it's okay. We learn from our mistakes. That's why that is the most essence of me making these YouTube videos and making the trade breakdown, so that I can learn from my mistakes as well, and you guys can learn from my mistakes and also be better traders. So I bought the trade. I bought the market around 22,500, still following the trade strategy, but it was a wrong time. That was during the day, so price came up. My stop loss was below here. It stopped there because this is the pattern I've been seeing. So I was thinking that price will not likely come back into 22,000 because my patience was acting up. So it's okay, it's all fine and good. I made back the money even more on this trade. So you see, I could bought here and then price stopped me out, and then when price stopped me out, went back up. I wasn't bothered. I didn't want to look at the chart again. I knew that if price top me out like this, then price is definitely going to come back into a trend channel. And then you can see it respected this. If for ICC traders, it respected this other block. You can see that bearish candle there. It respected the other block, and then yeah, it went to a desired direction. So what I did, I was just patient. I said when price stopped me out here, I set my limit here. I knew that price would come and tap me, so price came, tap me, went up smoothly just like that. And now we are expecting a retest around about this level before we start seeing higher movement to the upside for today's trade, but it's not yet confirmed yet. So you guys are going to wait for me to post that trade analysis in a few hours. I'm just posting this to make a trade breakdown, because on this pair, what I've observed is that we can find a trade every day just targeting this level. So if you take a trade from here, let's say for example you take a trade from here, you should be targeting this level, and this is very achievable. It happens all the time, even though price is not willing to go very high, but at least price will complete this 5,000 pips. So in between the psychological levels I have marked, there are 5,000 pips apart. So you can take a trade here, following structures, and then target the next high, target the next resistance level, and you get your entries correctly. I wouldn't want to say 100% of the time, but yeah, it's quite 100% of the time. Yeah, I'm confident that this strategy will work for you if you can apply it properly with proper price action, because this is a price action strategy. We just use the psychological levels for entries and way to fix a stop loss and target. So this is the 1 hour time frame. You can see how the structures was. Let me take this off. You can see how the structures was moving very cleanly with our in between our trend channels. We saw a low made here, so high. We saw higher low, higher high, equal lows here, higher high, higher high. This was the 4 hour retest. So we saw the 1 hour structures break. So this was, on a 4 hour, we'll take this as a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then another higher high. So but on the 1 hour we had high, higher low, higher high, equal lows, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then an impulsive break of the structures, breaking the 4 hour highs, and then coming back to do retest on the trend channels and psychological level, giving us a higher low on the 4 hour time frame. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame so you can see it better. So now on the 4 hour, each candles here represents 4 hour duration. So you can see higher high, higher low, higher high. You can see this break of these structures that were on the 1 hour that were a lot, but now on the 4 hour is compressed, and you can see this was a higher high, this was a higher low, this is a new higher high, and this is a new higher low. We tested these levels, and now we had a bullish engulfing there. And now what do you know about bullish engulfings? It shows that the buyers have a lot of strength, and then this is just a retest because price sold from here. So naturally to sell, it will reject that level a bit, come down, retest this bearish candle high before the bullish engulfing, retest the high of this candle, or maybe even come to the body of it, and then we can look to set a buy stop here, targeting this level, and to definitely get hit. And then since this is a swing trade, I'm holding these levels, so you can see I'm holding these levels. So the next level I'll get in there. So it's just like the psychological levels also helps you to know where your entries, and you can see how we are getting our entries is just step by step, one level to another level to another level. You just keep buying till we know that the daily wants to do a retracement, and then we can get off our position. But before the daily does the retracement, it needs to break this. It needs to break this high. Let me come here. It needs to break this high completely. That's above 23,000 and 23,500. As you can see, that's my take profit, and I can go a little bit above. So my last final take profit for all this trade here is around 24,000. So just keep holding, and then just so that's it for the breakdown, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the love you've been showing me. I've got like 10 subscribers in a couple of days, I'm very grateful for your appreciation and you showing me support. I see everyone in the comments, I see everyone in the like section, I see everyone sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys, and just let's keep running up the numbers, get this video across to many traders as possible that are looking for a solution to their forex career, so I can be able to help as many as many people as possible. So these videos are normally just come on here and just send it out like that, no editing, nothing. I'm playing transparent to all everyone that's watching here, and I want you guys to show me the support so that you guys can give me. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in a couple of hours when I'm dropping the trade analysis for the trades today. So this is just a breakdown so you guys can go review. Those of you that took the trades, just go review and see how you can capitalize on further moves in the future. So let's keep the channel growing. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.